and please subscribe.
This one I got you with the Jackal. Me, I no get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that. Biggie man, we don't be where I back that. Tell me, what's it come? Jackal, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, and the feet, die for nothing. What's it come? Jackal, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, and the feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything they do, they die to do plenty survive with this. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women, I want enjoy, I want your life.
So beloveds, if you are familiar with my channel, you would actually know that I'm at my brother's place. But currently, as you know, it's still winter, so everything is very much non-productive and is very gray and dull and stuff. Yeah, but yeah, the lemon trees are flourishing, so we're getting some lemons and we're gonna go use them on the farm to do something. I'm thinking of maybe lemon juice or lemonade for the kitties, which is actually just me and my daughter and my husband in this case now. But yeah, the palm trees are doing really great. I should actually come replant some of them to take them to the main house. But yeah, this is where we are.
Different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my court, I'm paddling. Shout out Simmentaler, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a should not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? Jackal, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, and the feet, die for nothing. What's it come? Jackal, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, and the feet.
So beloveds, today's just gonna be a very simple day. Today we're just gonna give the cattle some produce red, which is just an oral dose, and then we're also gonna inject them with some minerals and vitamins. This is literally going to be focused on the small cattle as well as the new cattle that we bought in. Yeah, and there is the master behind all the labor for today. Trek ek maar jou mag en laf. Stop it, ay.
What's it, mag en trek?
So beloveds, currently we are on lunch and all the employees are going to the houses to go prep something to eat and to rest out for an hour, right after that we're gonna meet at the kraal and then we're gonna finish what we've started. But Please stay tuned. Please do consider subscribing. Please do like. Please do share. And see you throughout this very dear Makar vlog. Me.
Adi.
Hi guys. Please subscribe.
Hi.
It's a mirror. Hi guys. Please subscribe.
Hi. As. T.
Please subscribe.
Skris. Skras. Skras.
So beloveds, today we are going to replant or transplant these garlics that are stored bought and they were actually growing while they were still intact into the planting trays using the potting mix and stuff. So I got my fingers crossed, hoping that they will grow, because last year I did use this same strategy. I bought garlics that looked like this and then I planted them directly into the soil. They did survive, but due to negligence they did not really make it. So I really want to give them all the attention and stuff until they at least grow this height, and then yeah, we're gonna look at replanting them directly into the soil later. So let's do this.
If I had it my way, you would know that you were. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part.
Sumadi tao na na hame. O tini ante sai. It's a kere kaba on the
Don't go.
on the way not mama ni ba ho hin ba.
Ah. Ipuba.
Kere na ka ting uri ba kere o ko sa.
Kasen sia tinka. Kita kati. Kita kati. It's an edit di kutira kani, di kutira ka. Sigi ngin di ka ba no ho chinga ta kanai.
Chunga.
If I had it my way, you would know that you were. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You
the sunrise. And the brown eyes, you're the one that I desire. It makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life.
Beloveds, good morning. Welcome back to another day in this vlog. I hope it's not confusing because I feel like I've started this vlog a long time ago and I gave up mid this vlog, and currently we are in a whole nother season, in a whole nother month. And yeah, so the few clips that passed, which you've already seen, they were like when we had some rainfall and stuff. So I think when I have to be honest with you, this is gonna be a vlog that is a mixture of different months, different weeks, and different days. And yeah, let's just make it make sense at the end of the day. Yeah, so currently I'm in the house and I'm just trying to finish up. I'm cleaning up, and then I'm gonna go to the garden and I'm gonna take you through the garden. As for the duration of this vlog, I don't know. People have been saying they want longer vlogs, so I think I'm gonna like extend this vlog. That's why I feel like I'm combining a lot of different footage that was supposed to be for like an individual vlog. So yeah, and I will meet you throughout the day. See you. You are well aware of this ground, right? I used to plant a lot of veggies here, but the problem is that I've noticed that this ground is actually depleted. Like the nutrients inside here, they're not giving, because the trees, especially the fruit trees and the vegetables, were not at full potential. But when we moved to that side, I'll show you in detail now, things actually started flourishing. So we decided to like fix that side. If you've been part of the family, you would have noticed this already. So we planted onions there, we have corn, we have safflower, we have sunflower, and we have extra corn behind. And then here we have beans, a funny variety, because I have a lot of different variety of beans here. And what I actually wanted to emphasize on is that, please check here, these are the spinach that we planted here, and they are not doing well. They're actually not giving at all. So this were accidentally planted here between the beans, and look at how well this one is doing. The other one is that side. So I'm going to harvest this ones today because I want to make like creamy spinach soup. And then yeah, the idea is to plant all the other spinach that I bought here so that they can actually flourish like this ones, because planting them separately, regardless of all the pesticides and treatments that I apply, nothing really helps. So I just wanted to show you. Okay, we have lettuce here. I also want to plant lettuce because I don't have it in my garden. So this ones will literally be planted inside the beans. This is called inner planting. And then I wanted to show you the spinach. This is the spinach that we planted here. This is the one that we have here. It's a variety that we use, superfoods. And I wanted to also show you the variety of beans. These are the first bean seeds that we have. And we also have this ones. We also have this one. So this ones will be used to plant. The idea that I have is that I actually want to plant these beans within the open spaces of the corn, but with the new corn, I'll go show you that now, because I feel like they need like a little bit of shade, man, because the sun is too harsh here. And I also wanted to show you something. I decided to plant more okra, so these are the seeds that we used, and then these are the products that we have right here. Ain't it beautiful? So we have that batch there, we have this batch, and then we have that batch there, and they're actually doing very good. So I'm planning on planting this ones as well. I don't know how to cook okra. I've never cooked it, I've never tasted it, but that's why we don't have most Google and YouTube and ChatGPT. So I'm going to use that to cook the okra. As for this plant, I do not know what its name is. I don't know what type of plant it is. Actually, it's a tree, and it apparently bears something. I don't know. It's like, let me show you. It's like this type of, just focus for me. It's that fruit, and then it bears seeds. So we planted it from a seed, and this is how big it is. I planted it maybe 4 or 5 months ago, and we're planning on planting more of them because they're actually doing good. It's actually a shade tree, but aesthetically pleasing. Doesn't it look beautiful? But just imagine it becoming big, like it's very, very big. And that right there is coriander, accidentally planted in the veggie garden. It was supposed to be in the herb garden. So yeah, these are the corns. Let me show you a video of the corn. These are the new babies that were planted 5 days ago, and just check how good they're doing already. That's why I emphasize on the fact that this soil is so good. It wasn't used for like ages. I mean, the other soil, the problem there is that my father used to like the dam water would be let out on that specific soil, so it really got damaged. So all the green things here are new growth. It's literally 5 days old. These are 2 weeks old, and we are planting them in intervals, right, so that we can at least have different harvesting times. And so okay, outside this time around I decided to plant all the watermelons, and let me show you the watermelons, the cucumbers, everything in this camp, because I don't want it in the veggie garden, because it just brings a lot of disorganization, and man, it just looks khaira, man. So yeah, we have onions. This the onions that we planted this side, and they're actually doing very good. We're planning on planting another patch as well, or actually transplanting them because we have them in buckets. And these are the fruit trees that I bought. This is lemon, what is that? I'm not sure. Peaches, guava, and yeah, what is that? Raspberries, those ones. So that is what we planted here. We actually moved them from that specific point. Sorry, let me focus. We moved them from there to here because the soil is good here. It's just that it's a little bit warm or hot that they look like that, but they actually are gonna survive. And then the fig trees are doing great, man. They're actually doing good. And I'm planning on extending them to that camp there outside, so that we have like a lot of fig trees. And they're actually already bearing some fruit, so we're just waiting for the rainy season to like happen properly, and then we are gonna eat some fig fruits. And this is where we're gonna clean up and continue with planting. I was planning on giving this to the animals and cutting this ones up for compost. But yeah, that is from me and my veggie garden for now. If the rainy season commences very well, you will see a lot of greenery here. But as for this open place, we are just planning on rehabilitating the soil and, doing everything that must happen. This right here, this open patch that has like these two patches of greenery, that is sweet potatoes. I don't know what's going on right under, but I'm planning on removing that specific point from there and taking it outside. But that is after the harvesting season. But yeah, so let me just harvest some spinach.
I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day.
this is all from my garden. See? Invest in your own garden, people. So you cook from your own garden. So beloveds, while we're in the garden, we're somewhere gonna harvest some fig tree fruits. I was told by my friend that I should address things as they are. So she told me the fruit's name is prickly fig. It's a prickly pear fruit. So I should apparently call it what it is. So that is what we're gonna harvest now.
Hi guys, subscribe, like, follow, hit the notification button. It's live here
Where?
by the farm,
Whose farm?
at the Grace Farm.
Lewe.
Die water in die grond, Oupa.
En die water in die grond is die lewe. Ek sê vir die mense sommer, die mense hulle hoor vir my mos nie. Hulle hoor nie vir
I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day. Every wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day. Every
ik ga wie karu.
Ubaba ngcike sarwe.
En saru dat je geen.
Chiduke badi kwe.
Dat je koi.
Madi. Madi duke kwe.
Wat die koi?
Odre.
Koi kom er al die.
I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day. Every hear the hear the people laughing, smiling, being happy. Every hear the hear the people laughing, smiling, being happy. Every Christmas time, hear the people laughing, smiling, being happy. Ooh, at Christmas time. Every hear the hear the people laughing, smiling, being happy. Every hear the
So good morning, beloveds. Welcome back to yet another day in this vlog. I mean, yeah, we've been here for some days, and I appreciate you camping, right? So don't feel bad. But yeah, I just came here to give you an update. You remember, if you've watched maybe 2 vlogs from this one, right, you would have seen that we went to go purchase 2 pregnant Simmentaler stud heifers, right? So if you haven't, I'll put the link down below, and if I don't, just go down my channel and then you go watch it. It's a very nice vlog, and you will understand the sentimental value as to why I'm emphasizing this, right? And also I just felt like I owe my beloveds a update because you've been through it all, right? So yeah, without blabbering a lot, yeah, the situation right here is that we got a call from the workers, right? And currently it's in the morning. We literally just woke up. I believe you can hear it in my voice and stuff, yeah. So we just woke up and we got a call from the workers stating that one of the heifers, they actually are in the camp and they are in a bad condition. A bad condition being that she calved yesterday or during the morning hours, which is now 2-3 I guess, and then the calf died, calf definitely being big, and then she hurt her pelvic bone, and currently she can't stand, she can't walk. Seems like nerves got damaged, or she just maybe dislocated something. I'm not sure yet. I just have to go analyze the situation. And also that the hind part of her vagina was eaten by the jackals, or I'm not sure what type of animal really, but yeah, seems like it's a jackal. So we're gonna go see that as well. So the situation with this is that we might involve a vet, but you know that in cases like this it's very difficult because most fortunately the animal might repeat these actions again, where she will have difficulty giving birth or calving in this sense. And apart from that, most fortunately damage is too much that the animal needs like a lot of treatment, and it's expensive, let's just be honest. And regardless of it being expensive, also they have to take into consideration that the treatment and the consistency that you have to hold up to treat this animal, especially with the wound that you will have behind, to avoid infections, all those things, because you can't leave the animal at the vets for like a month or 2 months. I mean, like, it's gonna be hella expensive. But that is the situation we have right here. So currently I'm just gonna make myself a shake, and then we're gonna go assess the situation. We might contact the vets, looking at what the odds are, probabilities, and then chances are very high that we're gonna cull her. And when I mean culling, I mean slaughtering, right? And then we're gonna sell her meat to, I don't know, maybe a butchery, I'm not sure. But that is the situation we have right now. So yeah, be nice to me in the comments, please, because I'm going through it, shame.
I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel.
So beloveds, what we have in here is some berries, strawberries, Greek yogurt, plain, right? Some milk and shaved ice, and some sugar because I don't have some syrup here. So I'm just gonna make myself a shake, and then we're gonna go assess the situation. Beloveds, I'm done with the shake, so let's just have a taste test, right? Together, most. This is insane. This is insane. So now I have my shake. Let me just go get my husband. I think everyone is already out there, and then we're gonna go assess the situation. So hi beloveds, we just came back from the car ride a while ago. So I just took a fresh shower, and yeah, I just came here to update you on what the way forward is. So I believe that you've seen the condition that the cow is in. Maybe not everything, because I was a little bit selective as to how focused I am on the uterus or the vulva area. But then yeah, the cow is actually in a lot of pain. And to be honest, we contacted the vets, and then there was the whole situation of like, we can bring her to Hobabas. We tried lifting her up. We tried many ways, man. I feel like we've depleted all the ways as to how we can load her on the car, which is very much impossible right now. And also with a lot of, what is it, back and forth with the vets, different vets, right? So because we had to get different opinions, like second, third, and fourth opinions. So based on that, there's a high chance that the cow might not walk again because of nerve damages, and also the dislocation of the pelvic bone that might lead to a lot of investments in the sense of therapy and treatment. And even after that, we are not really guaranteed that the cow will be operating at full potential, and most fortunately she might not bear a calf again. So with that said, we had to like weigh the good and the bad, and just, I mean, be realistic about the whole situation. And we decided, no, we're just gonna cull her. When I say cull, I mean we have to slaughter her, and we're gonna sell her to a butchery or something, because we did not have the need for the meat right now, and we don't want to waste on that. Maybe just get the money from the cow and then invest in something else, be it now feed or medication and stuff. But yeah, that is the situation right now. I'm kind of, I don't know how I should feel about it, because the problem is that it's not something that you can blame someone right now. Do you understand? We can't blame someone due to what happened right now, but we can also just learn from it. It's now the second cow that had to die in such a way. In this case, this one did not die, but yeah, most fortunately. Let's just put it like that. Yeah, with that said, it's now basically the mortality rate of such a situation is 2 at the moment, and I am praying and wishing for no more, because I feel like you really try your best to analyze these things, in the sense of like you're looking at the EBVs, the calving ease, the body weight, the maturity weight, the bull that you made these animals with, and then at the end of the day such things still happen. I feel like
There's only one.
now look for anything similar to a swimming suit. Yeah, like I was saying, you really try to minimize such things, and you can even go to the genetics of the animal, but yet such things will happen. And this is just things that you have to take into consideration when trying to breed with especially stud animals, right? It's a very big problem when it comes to stud animals. And yeah, so that is what it is. It's the downside of farming, and definitely we still have one left. I don't want to laugh about it, but then we still have one of the 2 left, right? The other one is, yeah. So we're just hoping for the best. We're gonna definitely put in place certain measurements that's gonna minimize the loss, as to not putting them in the camp where they were currently. Taking in consideration that camp was really small, like we could actually deal with the situation. We were assisting cows right now, like currently we've been assisting cows with calving, because of the I feel like the birth weight of the calves are very big, and taking into consideration they're supposed to be able to give birth to these calves, right? But then genetics, information, environment, nature, something is not correlating there. But yeah, that is what it is. So right now we are dealing with that, and as I'm speaking, the men are loading the cow so they can come slaughter her, and then yeah.
Mama, daar is nog. Dan eerst met die een ding wat daar gepleed het.
Ons het nou gee vir enige sê as ek kan enigiets aantrek in jou hankas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah, sorry for that, but yeah, apart from that, right now I think we're just gonna prepare some, what is it, tripe and what is it, porridge. So I'm gonna cook outside. I just felt like I just want to cook outside, Shem. It's too warm in the house, and it's too, yeah. So ek lus net swart pot matangara. Yeah, it's an rigting. So yeah, see you throughout the vlog, and then thank you also for being around until this time, and thank you also for like just being part of the community. I mean, I also wanted to say thank you to my subscribers, right? I don't even want to call you subscribers, I want to call you my family, because we're actually doing so good. Shocked by the outcomes of the other video, the interaction, the everything that went around that video. I really loved it, and if we can just keep up to that level, I'll really appreciate it. So thank you for sticking around, thank you for being part of the family, thank you for being here. And I just felt like I still have to like share certain things, regardless of them being personal and too close to home. I just felt like I'm inviting you on this journey, right? So you're part of the cow that we purchased, and now you also have to be part of the cow that has a situation. And also, as informative as I want to be, I also have to inform individuals on the down parts of farming and the experiences that we have. It might not be the same as to other people, but somewhat it might help someone to strategize a step, you understand, for them to prepare themselves for farming and or to address certain situations. But yeah, that is what it is. So see you throughout the vlog. If I could, I would have like dished out some matangara for you, because I know it's gonna be bomb. But yeah, see you throughout the vlog, lovies. You guys want the cheese? Yeah, no. Don't fight, don't fight.
Christmas time.